The Royal Clock Change, a weekend project for King Charles' team. The royal residences of King Charles III are set for a busy weekend as the clocks go back for winter. With over 1,000 timepieces across various royal homes, including Buckingham Palace, Windsor Castle, and Sandringham House, the clock change is a massive undertaking. But who's in charge of this intricate process, and why do we change the clocks twice a year? The Royal Horological Conservator, a dedicated team, will oversee the clock change, ensuring each timepiece is set correctly. This meticulous task is not just about practicality. It's also a testament to King Charles' love of clocks. From musical clocks to grandfather clocks, he finds comfort in their ticking and chiming, a tradition passed down from his grandmother. The clock change is a biannual ritual, a concept introduced by the German army in 1916 and later adopted worldwide. It aims to provide more daylight in the evening during summer and more in the morning in winter. However, this practice remains a subject of debate in the UK, with a YouGov poll revealing a split opinion. 46% support its continuation, while 42% are against it. As the clocks tick towards 26 October, the royal team will work tirelessly to ensure a seamless transition. This weekend project is a testament to the intricate balance between tradition, practicality, and the unique interests of the monarch.